Hello everyone, let's now move towards this type of the hairstyle. First I'm taking the two strands from the two different ends and then giving them the internal twist. I'm repeating this step for the second twist also. Then the leftover hair is to be tied up into the classical braid, roll it and fix it at the proper position using this fancy pin. We will move on further this type of the hairstyle. First the ponytail is to be made, then the three divisions are to be made, then the internal twist is to be given for the each type of the pin, then insert it in this trio pin and your bun is ready. We will now move further with our another hairstyle. First make a lower ponytail, after that insert some of the rubber bands as apparent on your screens. Then from the left side we are going to create this type of the classical braid and decorate the bun with this type of the braid. We will now move further with this hairstyle. First you just have to take one of the strand from the right side and give it an internal twist and tie it up in the form of the rubber band type of the look for the rest of the hair. We will now move further with this type of the hairstyle. It's again inspired from the internal twist. You just have to take the two strands, give the internal twist. The rest of the hair is to be tied up into the lower ponytail, roll it over and fix it at the proper position using the bun pin and the fancy pin. Let's move towards this type of the hairstyle. For this one again you just have to make a lower ponytail, then make a bumpy type of the look. Then this type of the bow bun is ready. Now for this one again take the two strands, give them the internal twist as shown here. After that tied up using the rubber band, give it a twist and fix it at the proper position. Now for this one you just have to make a high ponytail. Some of the hair is to be taken up towards the upper portion. The leftover hair is to be dyed up into the different types of the internal type of the buns, and then one after the another you are going to place it over. This one is very simple and very easy. Take the two strands of the hair, give the internal twist. Now take some of the hair and just build it over the internal twist that we have created the earlier. This is quite simple and quite easy. Now build this braid and roll it over. Next hairstyle is all inspired from the twisty and the turny types of the look that we can create using our fingers. This is quite simple and quite good. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned.